Same as usual, our regular drill. So before starting this video, please share all these videos with all your friends and the classmates and the family, those who are pursuing present class 12 or class 11 or taking drop year. So this content is very much helpful for them. So please do that for me. So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. So next series of videos will be based on the major and best engineering entrance exams. So after your class 12. So in this series of videos, I am going to give you some glimpses about that entrance exam, like eligibility criteria. So institutes which admit you with that particular entrance exam, and also like exam pattern. So all these things I am going to explain in each and every video separately for each and every entrance exam which I feel you must give. So if you are interested in that particular college, okay. Starting this series with the very well known and popular and most important entrance exam after class 12, that is to pursue BTech, that is JEE mains. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. So JEE mains. So glimpses about JEE mains in this video. So institutes which offer admission for through this JEE mains exam are NITs, IIITs, GFTIs and some private colleges, and first level for IITs, which means so this is the qualification exam for JEE advanced. So once you qualify JEE mains, so you will be able to write JEE advanced. So if you score well in JEE advanced, you will get seat in IITs. So that is why this is the first level for IITs. Okay. So what is the eligibility criteria for JEE mains? Should pass 10+2 means intermediate in PCM stream, physics, chemistry and math stream. So age limit should be passed within last 2 years when you write the exam. Max 2 drop years accepted. That means, so this is 2021, right? So those who passed in the 2018 are not eligible. So those who passed in 2019, so those who passed in 2020 and those who are appearing now, so are eligible for writing the JEE mains exam. So 3 years. So maximum 3 years you can appear JEE mains. So example, 2021 exam writing students you should pass in 2019, 2020 or appearing in 2021. That's it. So what is the exam pattern? So most of you know, but so I will let you know once again. So from this year, total 90 questions. So last year it is only 75 questions, but this year 90 questions will be asked, out of which only 75 will be evaluated. So how this process is done, I will explain you. So maths, you will be having 30 questions. In that you should attempt 25. So you should means it is not compulsory, it is up to you. So in physics also 30 questions will be given, 5 questions will be choice. In chemistry also 30 questions will be given, 5 questions will be choice. Your 25 questions will only be evaluated. So in that 20 objectives are must and should. So you should there is a negative marking for this objective. So in integer type you will be given 10 questions, out of which, so if you make 10 answers correctly, only 5 will be evaluated. So if 6 answers are correct, only 5 will be evaluated. So if 5 answers are correct, any 5 answers are correct and you left or you kept wrong in other 5, so those 5 which are correct only will be evaluated. So in each subject, so time limit is 3 hours. So objective, correct answer for objective section, correct answer plus 4 marks, negative answer means minus mark. So negative marking is there for objective section. For integers, plus 4 for correct answer and no negative mark. So if at all you kept it wrong, no problem, there is no negative mark. So maximum marks is 300, 25 into 4. So 25 into 4, 25 into 4, 25 into 4, 100, 100, 100, right? So this is an exam will be conducted in online mode. So application process. So apply online through JEE Main NTA portal. So you should apply through online portal. So there is a separate video how to apply, how to fill the form, what are all the documents required. So if you don't have any caste certificate or anything, what is the process to do regarding this? There are many videos and very huge content is there regarding JEE Mains in my channel. Do check out that. So fees is 650 for boys in general OBC EWS. So per attempt, that is per attempt, okay. 325 for all girls irrespective of category, all girls, and SC, ST, PWD boys and girls 325. So 650 is only for general OBC EWS boys, that's it. That is per attempt, okay. So 4 attempts, right? February, March, April, May. So in this 650 into 4, 2300, 325 into 4, 1300 something. Yeah. Registration. So usually registration starts from September to December. First registration, that is first registration for February session. So after, if so, many people are also asking, bro, now I am only registering for February. Can I able to register for March, April, May after completing of February exam? Yes, you can. So once the exam is completed, portal will be again reopened. So where you can again upload. So again apply for JEE Mains March, April, and May session. Okay. So exam, so usually exams lie between Jan to May. Okay, so students appear 13 to 14 lakh students appear yearly. So presently JEE 2021 application is open now. So link is in the description to apply. I will give the website link for you. Go there, and if you didn't apply, today is the last date for applying JEE Mains. So go and apply there. So link is in the description. Okay. So what next? So after applying, what is the next process? So everything will be notified on my channel. Stay tuned to my channel. That means you should subscribe and hit the bell icon. Turn it into all notifications so that you will receive notification when I upload a new video or new content regarding your entrance exam or any other thing. Okay. So you will be notified everything on my channel. So hope you all love this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. And also all the best for your preparation. Never give up. So love you all.